What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got an interesting video for you guys today. So today's video is going to be about a mother that was embarrassed by her 12-year-old's short hair, and she's having her to wear long wigs. Let's get into the video.
Have a wig on her head.
Because it's long and it's pretty. Why do you think she has a wig on her head?
What do you mean? She looks crazy with that wig on. She doesn't need that.
Okay, why doesn't she need it?
Because she has natural, beautiful hair already.
Okay,
she
but
doesn't
her
need to wear
hair
a
is
wig.
not growing. She wants it to be long and pretty, just like her mother and her cousins and her sisters. So I gave her a wig. So what?
No, she doesn't need that. But her hair won't grow if you have a wig on it.
Well, she wants it long now. We don't got time to wait for it to grow.
No,
So now what?
it doesn't matter. She does not need that wig to be beautiful. Baby, you do not need that. Okay, your hair is already beautiful.
Whatever. Her hair is just fine the way it is. It's long and it's pretty and it's instant.
It's not. That's a wig.
Okay, you gonna make it grow this fast?
Y'all see this? Look at this. This is
You
terrible.
gonna make it grow fast?
Look at, you think that looks good?
You
That
gotta
looks good to
you gotta
you.
do grow
That
and
looks good to you.
something like let me know.
So you can get your hair done, but you can't take care of our baby's hair?
First of all, I'm helping her because she likes her hair to be long and pretty. She likes to fit in. She likes to feel beautiful. Right now, that's the only option.
No, it's
her hair
not.
is short.
No, it's not.
So guess
She doesn't
what?
need that long.
Well,
She does not need that
long
hair to
is
look beautiful.
long
Have
like
you
her
seen
mother's.
Halle Berry?
Long like her
All of
mother's.
them people, they got to stand. Why you think our baby needs to have a wig
Halle
on?
Berry wear weave? She
It
does.
doesn't matter. She's too young. She's too young to be wearing a
Who
wig.
says who?
What do you mean?
According to who?
That's adult.
According
she
to
doesn't
who?
need that. Ridiculous.
No, so let
How you
her
gonna
be.
let her have this on her head?
Because I want her hair to be long. That's why.
So it's about you. It isn't about her. It's about you.
No,
She don't
it's
need
about
that.
her. It's beautiful, it's
Look at
pretty,
this.
and everyone wants long hair. Why wouldn't she? Come on,
No,
man.
long hair.
All the rest
She
of the girls
doesn't
at school
need
got
that. I
wigs,
don't
so
care. I
got
don't
wigs,
care.
got hair all the way down their
And
back.
that's them.
So
Our baby is already beautiful with the hair that she got. She don't need no wig.
she's not a boy. She doesn't want a bob cut. She wants her hair to be long and pretty.
Her hair is long enough. She does not need to have
No,
bob.
it's not growing.
Yes, it is.
It's
It's not growing because you
right
have it
now.
on her head.
Well,
You need to take this off her head.
you
'Cause this
found
looks
some
ridiculous.
formula to make it grow to make it this long in a matter of minutes?
Oh my
Let
God.
me know.
Oh
because
my God.
if you got the special keys, like I'm with it. Just let me know.
Y'all see this? This is what I'm talking about. She's gonna put our baby
So
in a
you-
wig.
really?
You need to
So
take
wait,
care of
so
this.
wait.
It doesn't
You
matter.
lying, but you
It don't
lying
matter.
about my
Yeah, I'm
baby.
gonna lie so they can see the nonsense that you're doing.
Seriously?
This don't make sense.
It don't make it seem
It
like
don't
I'm the
make
bad
sense.
parent. You're the bad parent.
No, you the
You're
bad.
gonna record
You gonna put a wig
Who
on the top of
records
her
it? But
head?
why are you recording?
Her
Why are you recording?
self-esteem.
Why are you recording?
She don't need
That
that because
becomes
she
the
doesn't
question.
need that.
Well, I just
She
hope her
clearly don't
self-esteem.
need that. No, you
She's
didn't.
just like her mom.
No, she doesn't need that.
Just like her mom.
Yeah, just like her mom. But you know what? Baby, you don't need that. Look
but,
at this, man.
But wait
my-
a minute.
Why you got our baby walking out here like
But if I
that?
cut my hair, it's an issue. You didn't like my short hair, did you?
You can cut
You
your
didn't
hair.
like my
I
short
don't
hair,
care
did
what
you?
you do.
Oh,
It
my
ain't
short hair
about
was
you.
a mess.
It's about our baby. I don't care
But
about
no.
nothing you got going on.
But when I make her hair long and pretty and beautiful, like
You telling her that.
But no.
You the one telling her that. You the
Really?
one trying to make it seem like she needs
No.
long hair when she don't.
You're making it
I
seem
don't
that
care
way,
what your
and she
family
understands.
wants.
So
I don't care about none
what?
of that.
Everybody's
she don't need that.
okay.
She's too young
but
to be
guess
wearing
what?
a
She
wig,
got it.
and she don't
She
need
got
it.
it.
Her hair is
She
already
got it.
beautiful.
It's there. She got
It's
it.
already beautiful.
She got it.
Baby,
So
I
what
don't-
you do about it?
Hair
Don't
like
pay
this.
your
This don't
father
make
none
no
ounce of
sense.
attention because at the end of the day,
Look at this.
isn't your hair pretty?
Look at her hair.
It's long.
She's
It's
talking
pretty.
about long
and
hair,
it's-
but look at that.
So
That ain't even
what?
her real hair. This is
So,
a problem right here.
And
Is that you think that this is what's cute?
And guess what?
Baby, your
You see
real
my
hair,
self-esteem
your
is
real
A1
hair.
with the fake hair.
Actually,
all
you're
of that.
doing too much.
All of that.
Actually, you're doing
all
too
of that.
much.
So do
Actually,
something about it.
if we
Do
get
something
real-
about it. If you don't like it, you go sit in the lab, put up a concoction, and you make an instant grow formula because she doesn't like her hair short. Neither
Or
do
her
I.
hair won't grow
We
with a
like
wig
her
on
hair
with it.
long. We like it long.
It isn't
So
about what you like. That's
It-
messed
it
up.
is.
How you gonna
It
tell?
is.
That's not what you
It's
should be
what she
teaching our
likes.
daughter.
It's what she
But that's
likes.
not what you should be
But you
teaching her.
shouldn't be teaching her that she's not pretty just because
No.
she has to put weave in her hair.
You telling her that. You telling her she gotta put a wig on to be pretty. She don't. She don't need none of that.
She wants long
She's
hair.
already
That's
beautiful.
how she got it, right?
Yeah,
That's
wait
how
for
she
it to
got
grow.
She don't have to sit and stress and wait for it to grow. I don't
She's
want her to
12.
wait for it to grow.
It doesn't matter. She
wants
don't
it just
need
as quick
that.
as I got it. Guess what? There she is. Long hair. Long
This doesn't
hair.
make sense.
So at
You
the
out
end of the
here
day, like
making
I
her think
said,
that she gotta have a wig in order to be
she's cute.
beautiful.
She is absolutely
She's already
gorgeous,
beautiful
and there's
without it.
nothing that you
She
will do
don't
about
need a
it.
wig.
She loves her. First of all, her long hair enhances her beautiful face. So now,
Her face is already
just like
beautiful.
the rest of her family,
She don't need
wants long,
enhancements.
beautiful
She
hair,
don't need
just like the rest of her family.
She don't need
Okay.
enhancements.
Well,
You
she
got
got
her
it.
out here looking
She got
crazy.
it. She got it though.
You know what?
She got it though.
I'm out.
Right?
I'm not.
There you have it. And I'm just going to go ahead and say this, man. We are not on this earth to fit in. You are here to stand out. What she should be teaching her daughter is that you don't need any of that fake stuff to be beautiful. You're beautiful. You don't need fake hair, wigs, weave, tracks, whatever. You don't need those fake eyelashes, fake nails, makeup, any of those things. You are beautiful in the skin that you are in. And beauty has to start within. Like that's not something that you can just put on. That's a front. That's fake. And as a mother, that's what she should be teaching her daughter. But as you can see, the mother, she has that long weave. And to be honest with you, that stuff that she got on her head looks a hot freaking mess. That's why you have to be careful about who you have children with. All right? Pay close attention to their character. Pay close attention to how they move. If you're sitting here and you get caught up by the looks, a lot of y'all will dismiss the attitude. And the unfortunate part of that is they're going to put that into your children. All right? So just moving forward, y'all make sure y'all pay close attention to how people are moving. Let's try to stay far away from people like this. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this particular video, man? Let me know so we can have the discussion, all right? Y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa. Too bad was you know they roll.